Good afternoon. Welcome to Kyle and Aaron's module for the Learning Team Facilitation Project. And this module is going to focus on synchronous learning opportunities within the online learning community. So the first task we have for y'all is to go onto to watch a YouTube video on Blackboard Collaborate. Blackboard Collaborate this is put out by Blackboard. It's a kind of collaboration tool for a virtual classroom, which really focuses on the synchronous opportunities available to online learning. So it's short 3-minute 16-second video, so should be pretty quick to get through. After that, we're going to ask you to read one of the two readings found within the module. Both of them focus on synchronous learning opportunities. The third thing, the first kind of bigger activity, is actually we're going to ask you to go to a website called Padlet.com, and there is a video within the module that will show you kind of how to use Padlet. But what we're going to ask is that you go onto Padlet and you start kind of combing the web for any tools or resources that you have or that you can find regarding synchronous opportunities. And hopefully we create kind of this class brainstorm of different tools and different resources you can read, so that if anyone really wants to delve further into it, they can. Finally, once you've completed the Padlet, we're going to ask you to actually take part in a synchronous learning opportunity. Now, we know you all have busy schedules, and it would take a lot to kind of coordinate everyone to find a time where we could all sit down together and talk. So we decided a better idea might be for you to attend one of the either live Twitter chats, webinars, or just other synchronous web hostings. We've provided a link to some websites. On those you can go, and there should be some calendars on, so you can find a day that works for you, a time that works for you, and a subject matter that works for you, so you can choose something that you are interested in. Once you've completed that synchronous learning opportunity where you've gotten a chance to actually delve into it, we'd like you to post on Flipgrid about your experience. Did you enjoy taking part in the Twitter chat, or did you find it confusing to follow? Did you learn something new from your webinar? What do you think about synchronous learning opportunities within the online environment? We want you to have a great day. Hope you enjoy the module. Thanks.